Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 course. In this video, we'll take a look at print preview. The print preview option in Excel shows you how the document gets printed onto the page, and it helps you in adjusting margins or scaling, which we'll look at later. But the preview gives you a good idea on how the document gets printed. In order to access the print preview, you need to go to the File and then click on the Print option on the left hand side. Once you do that, and what you see on the right hand side is the print preview. And now from this screen, we can tell that it is going to print, if at all we decide to print, we will be printing about 18 pages. You can use the left and the right arrows to browse through the pages on the preview. You can also use this vertical scroll bar to navigate through these preview pages. Once you like the way it is being displayed, you may opt to print, or you can adjust, as I said, you can adjust the scaling, you can adjust the page breaks. By page break, I mean, let's say for example you only want to print X number of rows onto your page, you can do that as well. Well, that's it about the print preview, and I will see you in the next video.